Thank you very much. I just want to start by saying how proud I am as a barrister who works in places like the CJC and the Crown Court round the corner, that I am to be able to stand here in solidarity with members of the union here, people from the campaigns here, all fighting for the same thing, which is to save our justice system. You hear ministers saying how proud they are of the contribution that UK justice makes to our economy, because so many people from around the world come here now to litigate their cases. And yet at the same time, they want to destroy the justice system, particularly where it relates to the poor and the disenfranchised. There is no basis, as far as I'm concerned, no economic case for the cuts in legal aid. Why don't they tax Google? Why don't they tax Amazon? If they let out of prison the 4,000 people who are stuck there because they got an IPP, one of those indefinite sentences, and they passed their tariff, and they cost 35,000 or more a year to incarcerate, those who are not dangerous should be let out now. They saved 500,000 in no time at all doing that. There is no economic basis for these cuts. You should be in no doubt that the government wants to privatise the justice system. That's what's behind the plans to get people like Eddie Stobart involved. Can you believe it? A trucking company running the criminal justice system in this country. It beggars belief. Only last week there was a report about the man who is the head of legal affairs at Stobart Barristers, who was described in a High Court case he brought last year as incompetent, and he was described as being cavalier and slapdash in the preparation of his cases. Is that what people want when they're in trouble with the law? I don't think it is. But one thing we can be sure about that Mr. Grayling has done, and you've got to admire him for this, he's managed to unite the whole legal profession. So many times in the past, the barristers and the solicitors have taken chunks out of each other rather than uniting. And now here we are today, solicitors, barristers, union members, activists, people from advice centres and so on, all united, because we know, don't we, that it's only by uniting that we win. If we are divided by the government, they can pick us off, they can pick off the unions, then they'll pick off the solicitors, then it's the barristers and who knows what. But if we stand together, if we fight together, if we say we are proud of legal aid lawyers and the work that people who work in legal aid organisations do, we can beat this lot. We can make sure that long after Grayling, failing Grayling as he's known, is a footnote in history, we're all still here providing an important service for people who come to us not because they want to make millions, but because they want justice. They want redress for whatever their wrongs are, and it's our job to carry on doing that. So thank you for being here, thank you for inviting me to speak. United we stand, divided we fall, save UK justice. Thank you very much.